Hello, and welcome to Fusion Writing, where building character meets creating structure. We are in the month of April now, a whole new month, and you know what that means. That means we're on an entirely new topic. So we're going to tease you a little bit today with what's coming up for tomorrow. Victoria, what will you share with us?
Well, we're going to continue down the road of time. So I'm not going to tell you too much, but in tomorrow's episode, I want to walk you through a couple of ways that you can use the past, the present, and the future as lenses through which you can either develop your story or develop your characters. So come back tomorrow and we'll dive a little bit further into temporal disturbances or playing with time. Kathleen?
Oh, fantastic. Well, thank you, Victoria. I'm looking forward to that. Well, we are continuing with our character traits in the empathy group. And when we're talking about character traits in the empathy group, we are always talking about our character as an individual and how that our character reacts with others in the outer world besides himself. And our character trait for this month is loyalty. Loyalty is a rather interesting one, and we'll explore some of the ideas of loyalty because we're going to explore everything from grand, deep loyalties to little bitty micro loyalties and see how they have a common characteristic that lets you know that the character trait that's involved is the trait of loyalty. So between now and tomorrow, spend some time thinking about what do you think loyalty means? If someone told you that you were going to create a character who is strong on loyalty or weak on loyalty, what would that mean to you? And then come on back tomorrow and we'll explore the sort of the definition of the loyalty when it is a character trait, because we all know already that these words that seem so common turn out to mean something slightly different when we're talking about a character trait and when we're talking about how our character works in this or that or specific situation. So come on back and we'll explore it some more tomorrow. See you then. Bye bye.